Hey guys, how you guys doing? This is your boy Valentin Negron, also known as the Visionary Entrepreneur. This is video 6 of one-on-one training with one-on-one training for the Power Lead system with Val. All right. On this video 6, we're going to be covering more in depth creating capture pages from scratch. Now, first thing that we always do is create a subdomain. Remember, you go here to websites, go to subdomains, manage subdomains, click on there, click there, go down. All right, you will create one. This one I'm going to create test run, okay, because this is just for test video purposes, folks. I'm going to hit create. Now, once you hit create, okay, folks, you could click here where it says click here to use existing web pages from our library of web pages, okay? So let's click here, which means we're going to grab one of their capture pages that they have created already, okay? You could go there to click here. You grab one that is already in the list. But we're not going to do that because what we're going to do is we're going to create one from scratch. So let's click back here. Okay. We're going to click here to create your own capture page right here in the bottom. Right here. Let me highlight this. Create your own capture page. Create your own web page. Okay. So here we go. This is going to be with a custom template. Yes, it is. That uses an opt-in form. Yes, it does. Now, you're going to scroll down here. You're going to get tons of different options here, folks, okay, that you could pick from. I personally use this one right here. Then what I do is, this one has a video playing in the background, folks. So it's an automated video that plays in the background. If you click here, you'll see an example of how it looks, okay. And it'll actually start moving, and you see the flames going up in fire and the words rotating and moving. And what's really cool about this is that you could actually hold on, let me move this up a little bit here so I can close this. You could actually change the video in the background, folks, okay? Now, I kind of said this before in the other video, but I'll say it again. You see, you get 3 different options, okay? Some people just go straight away to this one that asks for a name, email, and phone number, and you're just only hurting yourself, okay? Why am I saying that you're hurting yourself? Once again, I'm going to repeat myself, okay? If you're buying traffic, you're wasting leads because you're asking for too much info. They're not going to put all that info there. You're going to scare a lot of people away. And those that actually put some info in there, 95% of them is going to be a fake number. And also, if they are a real number, folks, really, what are you really going to do with someone that's putting a number from the UK or from Africa or from Canada? Are you actually going to go pick up your cell phone, blow up your cell phone bill, and call them? No, you're not. Okay? So the phone number is irrelevant, folks. Worry about that. When they get in your team, they buy they get the gold membership, they buy the diamond, the platinum, and they're serious action takers. Then worry about connecting with them and building a strong, relationship and whatever the case is, okay? So always go either with the name and email, or just email. I personally use this one, so I'm going to choose this one. Okay? And let's scroll down here. Now, over here, you see, step 1. Step 1 is the name that you want to name this particular campaign capture page that you're doing, okay? So what you want to do is, remember, I'm going to be using test run. So this is for test purposes, and this is only for you to see. No one else sees this. Test run, okay? Now, you will find this in your back office when you go look at web pages that I created. When you go check on web pages I created, you're going to be able to find it by its name. So you're going to put test run by me. So you know you created that, all right? So obviously you're not going to put test run. You're going to put whatever you're doing this capture page for, okay? Now over here, this little thing right here is very, very unique, and it's very cool. It's a special feature here that only the PLS that I know of has it. Everybody claims to have the best system and this and that, but I've never seen a better system with a better compensation in my life, period. All right? Now, what is this right here? What is this right here is very simple, folks. This is the blue tab. It says it right here. Title of this webpage to show on the website visitors on the browser's top blue bar. This is the blue bar right here. You see this? This is my YouTube video that I'm uploading. This is the blue bar. So whatever you have here is going to show up here, folks. So what do I have here? Valentine shares secret. Success with Valentine. Whatever the case is that you want to put, that's what you're going to put down. Okay, folks? And that's what you're going to put down up there, because this is what's going to show up here, which is really neat. You know, if your name is Jackie, you're going to put success with Jackie. Jackie shares her secrets. Whatever the case, you want to keep it short because you want it to be able to fit here. Okay? So that's a neat, very great option that PLS has to offer. Let's move on. Step 2. In step 2, it says it. Select the domain name that you're going to use that's going to be connected to this capture page. What domain name is that going to be? The domain name that you just created. In my case, I did test run. So I'm going to go here. I got tons of them, so bear with me. Here's test run. I'm going to put test run because test run is going to be tied to this. Okay. Then we're going to scroll down again here. We're going to pick, step 3 is to pick up autoresponder email list that's going to go out here. This is the email campaign that's going to go out to the lead. So that person that opted in, they're going to receive an email campaign on autopilot, whether it's 7 emails, 10 emails, 15 emails, 20 emails, 30 emails. They're going to receive it. You go here and you pick which campaign you want to choose. You could choose one over here in the back office that's going to promote the Lead Lightning, the Power Lead system. You could create an email campaign, which I will show later on how to do that in another video. Okay? You could create your own campaign, or you could pick one that you have here already set up. So if you're in Traffic Monsoon and you're in one of those, you're going to have automated emails already in your back office if your sponsor or me, myself, gave you a share code. You're going to see these extra email campaigns that are not here originally. You have some already from the Power Lead system set up for you, ready to go. Okay? But you have an additional about anywhere from 20 to 25 extra email campaigns from the share codes you're going to receive from me. Okay? Or from your downline. From your upline, okay? So anyways, in this video, we're just going to use here, mess around here. We're just going to use the free lead system for life, okay? Which is 16 emails. So we're going to use that. For an example, this is just a test run, okay? Now, step 4, very important, folks. Step 4, okay? Step 4, this is the page that they're going to be sent to after they're opted in. After they opted in, let me rephrase that. What opted in means is when they put their name and email, that lead, after they put that information into your capture page, okay, that's the page that they're going to be sent to, folks. So that's what step 4 is. Step 4 is what page they're going to be sent to after they opt into your capture page. Very simple, folks. So right now, it's on default sales page. We don't want it there. We want to click here and send them to a page that we want to send them. You will pick a page here from one of these right here. You could pick, like, let's say if you want to, this is a capture page directly for just to promote Power Lead system, for example, right? So if I'm going to promote the Power Lead system, let me go down here to Ari Marakabi's VSP3 formula. The VSP3 formula, it's a share code that you're going to have, and that's going to be in your back office. VSP3 promotes the Power Lead system. How you know that, Val? Well, I study and check everything in my back office. That's how I learn. And I suggest you do the same thing, because I learned the hard way. All right? So I click on that, but you could always click here to view your page. Right here. You click on it. It's going to pop up the page where you're actually redirecting them. So Ari's VSP3 will pop up.
Welcome to step 3 of the Maximum Money Formula. Today, I'm going to show you why I've been so successful online, and how the thing you want to do is you want to go through and knock out each one of those steps and make sure each
So he's going to be talking about the power lead system, folks. Let me pause this video.
Promote section.
Okay, so he's going to be promoting the power lead system. He's going to do all the selling for you. This is a sales funnel. It's basically a sales funnel. It's a capture page, and you're going to send them directly to a sales presentation. They're going to sign up. They're going to join your team. Okay, everything here is explained here in the bottom. You got the, the compensation plan part of it, of course, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. It tells them everything. Okay, folks. So I'm going to send them there just for test purposes. Okay. Then over here, you got some extra options. To be honest, I never do this, all right? I'm not saying that it's not valuable or it's important. You could do it if you want. I personally don't do it because when I create my links, my subdomain names with the capture pages, I buy traffic for it. So I'm not trying to get ranked and get found on Google or whatever the case is, okay? I'm not worried about that. I'm running traffic directly to these pages, folks. So let me save my pages. Let me save changes to my webpage. So you're done with the edit basics, folks. Now you get to pick the background. You can change the background, etc. I'm going to show you a little trick here, folks. You can go pick your own, choose your own background, right? All right, and how do you do that? You're probably wondering, how do you do that? If I want to choose my own background, first of all, you want to put sound, put yes. Go over here. Okay, go back to YouTube. Let me go back to YouTube, right? I'm going to look for one of my favorite songs, Nico Vince. I'm going to look for just, Am I Wrong? Official video, right? And I'm going to click on this video right here. Now, you don't have to use this video. This is just showing you what you need to do, folks. All right. So what you would need to do, folks, you need to grab a code in this link right here. All right. You need to grab a piece of the code. So you need this 9-digit code right here, folks. Well, it's not 9 digits. Some cases it was, but now it's not 9 digits anymore. You need that code right there. You need it from the equal sign all the way to the end. That's the code that you need to trade. So let's go back here to the admin area. I'm going to put that code in here. And actually, Power Lead System is so awesome. It actually shows you where it is. If you click here, what is the YouTube code? It shows you what it is right here. It highlights it. It's several letters and numbers or whatever the case is, right? So now you go over here. You hit yes, submit. Now you're going back to the back end of the capture page. You could leave the capture page like that, or you could click on here and hit backspace, erase this. I like keeping the new video reveals, new automated marketing tool. On autopilot, okay? Now, this is just an example, folks. Just an example. You could do a lot more than that as well. You could change the colors of the letters right here. Let's say free video reveals. You want to turn that red. You will go here, go to the letters. It says it right there. If you put the mouse over it, background color, text color. Let's change that to red just for an example. Boom. Voila. Right? Something else neat that you have here, okay? Let's just go down here to the bottom right here. Hold on. Let me move myself out of the way here. Let's go up here. You could change this here. You could do anything you want. Hey, this is so exciting you won't be able to sleep. Now let's save changes and move on to the next step. Let's view our page. Now the video should start. It starts usually in 2 seconds or so. Give it some time. Folks, this is powerful, folks, and this is how simple it is. So I'll see you guys in video 7, and I hope you enjoy this. All right?